In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys an airdrop you need to participate in right now, and if you take every step serious, you're going to be able to make $50 to $500 for free just by completing the tasks and positioning yourself for the airdrop. First of all, join our Telegram channel and make sure you follow every update we post, because we post updates like this daily. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the first link in the description of this video. Once you click on the first link in the description of this video, you're going to be taken to the bot I'm talking about. Once you click on the first link in the description of this video, you're going to be taken to the Sidefans bot, and here you're going to see my reward. I have over 463,950 diamonds, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to accumulate this amount of diamonds just by participating in their airdrop tags. Now you're going to see the age I got plus 10,000. Season 1 you're going to see 0, and invite 5 friends I got 100,000, and the tags I got 23,500. To complete their tags, you need to click on pass over here, and once you click on pass, you're gonna see the tags you need to complete: the daily check-in, the follow X, you have to follow their X account, you have to join their Telegram community, subscribe to their TG channel, play Trover games. So you have to do all these to get free diamonds. Now let me show you guys how to do the daily check-in. Gain your diamonds with daily login streak. Now you just have to make sure you log in every day and claim your daily diamonds from the Sidefans bot. Now as you can see, I claimed 500 diamonds for today. Tomorrow I'm going to be claiming 1,000, and if you claim up to 7 days, you're going to receive 50,000 on the 7th day. So this is how to do your daily check-in, and you need to connect it to be a VIP member. So you need to pay some amount of ton, which is very easy. You just need to click on VIP over here, and you will need to link your wallet. Once you connect your ton keeper, you're going to be able to do the transaction, and you're going to be a VIP member. As you can see, I'm a VIP member, and this is the battle pass. Now to earn for free, you need to invite your friends. So you click on invite over here, and here you're going to see I have referred 88 friends, which simply means that I'm taking this very serious, because I know this project is going to cook. So I've invited 88 friends, and I got 61,450 diamonds just by inviting my friends. Click on leaderboard, and you can see the holders. They have 9.5 million holders, and people are earning the diamonds just by completing tasks on the platform. So this is all, and you're going to see your rank down here. This is my rank, 7,405, and I have 463,950 diamonds. And once this project is launched, I'm going to be able to sell my coins and make money. So this is all about the airdrop. Make sure you create an account, always complete the tasks on the platform, and get your friends to sign up so you can earn free diamonds. Thanks for watching the video.